In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of navigating on your Garmin Forerunner 955 watch. Now, I'm using the solar version. It shouldn't matter if you've got the solar or non-solar. This video should work for you. I'm also assuming that you have the touchscreen functionality turned on. This watch does have touchscreen functionality. You can choose to turn that off. If you simply tap the watch face, just like most other smartwatches, it'll basically bring up your menu, and then whatever screen you're in will basically bring up the menu for that given screen. You can swipe to the left, swipe from the left to the right to close that. Really, just like any other smartwatch with a touchscreen, they all kind of operate the same way. Aside from touching the screen, though, you can also press and hold the middle button on the left side, and that will bring up the same thing for you. It's basically your menu button. So you can see as I pressed and held it, it brings up, here's my menu options. You'll notice that the first thing it took me to is watch face. That's because that was the page that I was on. The bottom right button will always be your back button. So if I press that, it will take me to back. It'll also do some other things depending on what your screen is, what screen you're in. But just for general functionality, this is always going to be your back button. Again, I should also mention, let me go ahead and press and hold the menu button. You can also go back if you've got touchscreen, again, by swiping to the right. You have the top left button is basically going to serve as your light button. If you press and hold it, though, it will take you to your control menu, which basically is just a quick access menu for you to go do various things, and this is totally customizable, so you can set it the way you want to. I'll press the back button. If you're not pressing and holding the middle button, it will always serve as your up button. So let's go back to our control menu. If I press this, it will move me up on any screen. If I press the bottom left button, it will move me down on any screen. The upper right button is going to serve a couple different purposes. It's your start and stop button. It's also, if you press and hold it, the button that will take you into your activities. So I will show a quick run through of all the activities. Now, this watch does connect to Garmin Connect IQ, so you can download additional activities. You'll notice that my GPS is also connected. Here's a quick look at some of the activities, and then we can do add, and you can choose tons of different activities out here. And then again, to choose any of these, you can simply click it, or you can press the upper right button. That will always be your select button as well. Go ahead and press back. That's just some general functionality on how to navigate on your Garmin Forerunner 955. I hope the video helps.